Red lines, red flags. Is India engineering a permanent state of war with Pakistan? Exclusive focus on Bilawal Bhutto's explosive interview on Al Jazeera. India's new normal versus Pakistan, warning of regional disaster. Tensions after May clash, nuclear posturing, Kashmir still bleeds. This is no ordinary cross-border flare-up. This is deliberate redesign of South Asia's security landscape. India has just redrawn the red line, and the Pakistan is calling it a red flag for all the Asia. Welcome. This is Mr. Bravo, your frontline window into Global Flashpoint. Tonight at Global Affairs Tonight, we dissect India's dangerous doctrinal shift and hear from Pakistan's Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who has warned that India is engendering conflict to justify permanent war footings and avoid solving Kashmir diplomatically. The May clash, the military policy disguised as retaliation. In May 2025, India and Pakistan came dangerously close to a large-scale military escalation following a reported attack in Indian-occupied Kashmir. India immediately blamed Pakistan-backed militants. Within 24 hours, Indian forces launched what officially called precision retaliation. Air strikes, drone strikes, and artillery salvos were reported across a line of control. But what truly shocked observers were Indian official declaration. Any act of terror traced to Pakistan will be treated as act of war. This is not rhetoric. It's a policy, unofficial but deeply embedded in Indian strategic thinking now. The new red line, strategic deterrence or political theater. India calls their new normal. Every infiltration, every blast, every attack will be met with military retribution and not diplomatic complaints. But analysts warn this blur the line between terror and statecraft, making escalation inevitable. Former Indian officer told Al Jazeera, Pakistan understands only force. That's the new India. But is this about Pakistan or about Modi's domestic politics and election image? Pakistan responds. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari goes global. In a rare and powerful appearance, former Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari broke his silence on Al Jazeera. India has declared open hostilities as a policy, no courts, no evidence, just accusation, followed by bombs. This isn't a red line. This is a red flag for all peace-loving nations. If the world stays silent, war will become South Asia's default mode. He accused India of militarizing diplomacy, using the Kashmir issue to gain nationalist votes and internationalizing conflict while blaming Pakistan for it. He blamed, you cannot burn down Kashmir and then demand peace at Wagah border. Nuclear shadow returns, who will bring first? Both India and Pakistan are nuclear states. Both have developed tactical weapons, MIRVs and first strike alternatives. And both are ignoring escalation ladders. Strategic analysis warns the more normalized retaliation becomes, the shorter the fuse gets. Pakistan officials stand, we will not start the war, but we will not lose one either. Indian message, terror will be punished by force, period. Result, an entire region is on edge, under siege and ignored by the world. Global media, is this a case study in biased coverage? Mainstream media, Western media rarely covers the India-Pakistan issue unless wars breaks out. Kashmir remains an occupied zone, yet its coverage is muted. Al Jazeera news series led by journalist Sareen Visan Jain finally breaks his silence. Joint interview both sides, including Shashi Tharoor, who struggles to justify Indian harsh new posture without clear evidence. But the voices like Bilawal's are rare in global headlines, even though they represent millions silenced by geopolitical games. Final thought, is the world now a policy tool? India's new red line is not about peace, it's about erasing dialogue. about isolating Pakistan, about silencing Kashmir. India has moved from non-alignment to aggressive posture and Pakistan cornered into constant readiness. This is no longer diplomacy. This is doctrine by drone strikes. And unless the world reacts now, the next India war may not be a border conflict. It will be nuclear. Share this bulletin. Spread this warning. The world must wake up to South Asia's new danger, a new war with no room for peace talks. This is Mr. Bravo bringing you truth beyond the filters. Until next time, stay engaged, stay tuned, and stay awake. Good night.